Two examples of the sharing process in psychology are testimonials and the echo. In the testimonial process, the client shares different aspects which influenced him or her in making the artwork. The client may share thoughts they had in mind, motivational elements which influenced them, insights they gained, feelings and needs that came up, as well as somatic experiences. In the echo process, participants are asked to share their thoughts and feelings related to an artwork of another member who shared their insights of their own artwork. In this process, participants act as both client and the listeners providing the echo. This allows an important learning process for both the client and the listeners.